Babes, can you take a trash out when I'm finished, please?
Can't you do it?
Excuse me? I literally cleaned everything yesterday.
I've cleaned the whole kitchen.
And I cooked.
Yeah, for your friends.
My friends that you told me to invite over.
Yes, because you said you were bored and you wanted to invite people over.
My mother was so right about you.
Oh, the Royal Highness doesn't speak for herself.
This is the weirdest argument we've ever had.
I know, and it's really turning me on.
Should we go to the bedroom?
Let's go.
How was your day, Robert? Why are you always scrolling on your phone?
All right, there, look, I stopped.
Show me.
Excuse me?
Show me your phone.
No, babe, no fucking way.
Right now. Oh my God, I just cannot believe that. I just don't know what to say.
Neither do I.
What do you mean?
Well, I don't know what to say to Stephen. He's asked me to look at rings for Emily and they all pretty much look the same.
Honey, you cannot just leave the bathroom like this. I will not be cleaning after you every single time. It's disgusting.
What do you mean?
The pizza leftovers from yesterday, the socks you put on the floor every single time you take them off, the couch looked like a dog would live there. You wear the same t-shirt every single day and it stinks. I really have enough.
Honey, you must be on your period. The period must be talking for you. Don't get mad. Sweetheart, what are you doing?
If you can do it, I can do it.
What? What the hell is that? Why is that on the countertop?
Well, I don't know. I guess it's just period speaking through me. But don't try to flush it in the toilet. It's gonna get clogged. You have to take it out and put it in the bin.
This is inhumane.
He's blocked well and tries to cut through the middle. Oh, the hole closes up on him only to gain 1 yard.
What the hell are you doing? The football is on and the second half has literally just started.
But I just want to watch Love Island, babes.
I don't think you understand the importance of the game. Liverpool's season is going to be defined in the next half. They've got 45 minutes to save their season. Man City are literally not dropping any points.
I have literally no idea what is he talking about. About some liver by the pool? And who's that City man? I just have no idea. The guys are chasing the ball and they're just being stupid in the field and he's getting so emotional about it. I would much rather prefer him to tell me about Star Wars or fashion. At least that's something I'm more interested in. Babes, you sure have everything?
Geez, I think so. Vitamins and minerals, check. Highly mineralized water, check. Highly unhealthy hangover food when I get back, check. Reflective lines leading back to the bedroom, check. GPS sewn into the jacket, check. Friends and family notified, written my will just in case, check.
Yeah, but have you notified your boss?
Look, I've told him I could be a little bit late. Or maybe not even show up.
I think you're ready.
Yeah, look, I mean, I haven't done one of these for a long time. Maybe a week ago?
I believe in you. You can do it. And just remember that the liver regenerates itself.
You're the best. Oh, and honey.
Oh, don't worry about that. The bucket will be waiting for you by the bed and by the front door.
You're the best.